Hi guys. Hey, I am getting into a model building. It's a 24-hour group build, and I'm going to jump into this with a Michael Waltrip kit. It's 24 hours from noon tomorrow, Saturday, to noon Sunday, I think it is. It's 2025 19th annual 24-hour group build on Facebook. So anyway, I'm gonna jump into this. Got this kit off of eBay, and got your windows, decals look to be in good shape. Thankfully, of course, your instruction manual. I've always been a big Michael Waltrip fan, so this was definitely one of those cool kits to get. Yeah, awesome. The cool thing is, with it being a 24-hour group build, I don't have to do a lot of painting because everything's going to be yellow. I'm going to paint it yellow because I'm not going to use the stock plastic, but there's the body. And the chassis, the rear truck arms, roll bar side pieces, or well, center of the car, drive shaft, roll cage parts. It's going to be a pretty cut and dry, easy deal to do. The race seat, MSD, ignition boxes, front bumper. What else we got in here? Yeehaw. Like, I got enough things going on. I really need to jump into another group build. I haven't got finished the group builds I'm already in. Some of them I didn't even come close to getting finished yet. But, oh well, what do you do? Got parts that are stuck here. Really? Come on. I hate when it does that. There we go. Oh, got rough. Your hood, the fuel cell, your wheel backs, the hoop around the roll cage or around the fuel cell, your firewall, accelerator, brake, your motor, suspension parts, cross member, weight jacker, TV camera, which I'm not going to use. Cool. Make sure I don't have any parts laying out there. Well, that's cool. Little thing. It's obviously no good no more, but free catalog. Yeah, okay. Well, it's an old kit, so there's your wheels and motor parts and your tires. So cool. Well, guys, I just wanted to show you this real quick. It's my entry into the 24-hour group build. Be doing tomorrow, starting that, and yeah, ought to be pretty neat. So, like I said, just fairly easy kit, because like I said, everything's going to be yellow. I am going to spray everything, because like I said, I don't like the, where you can see through the plastic. It's great that it's molded in the right color, but, so, okay, guys. Well, hey, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And stay tuned for more fun stuff to come. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.